Spanish. Spanish language. Do you speak?
Spanish.
Spanish. Oh, okay.
Yes.
Just hola means. What do you mean by hola in English? All over the world, people to communicate English is must. I can suggest you. You have to practice English every single day. Hello. Nice to meet you. Where are you from? Where are you from?
Hola.
Where are you from? I'm from Bangladesh.
Peru.
Peru. Are you from Peru? Really?
Yeah.
This is your country, Peru,
Sí.
Peru. Peru. Yeah. Your capital city name Lima? Peru, Lima. Are you from Lima? Lima. Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much. Just what time is it now in Peru? What time? What time? Peru. 1 p.m. 1 p.m. in Peru. Wow, over midnight. How strange. Midnight. Really? Oh.
Yeah.
Surrounding or everywhere dark. But here in our country, Bangladesh, 12 p.m. 12 p.m. at noon. At noon. 12.
What?
12 p.m. 12. Bangladesh.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, really. Already I have followed you. Followed you.
Yeah?
Followed you.
Yeah? Yeah.
Just can you speak English?
One condition.
Can you speak English? English?
A lot of.
A little bit or lot of? Little bit.
Poquito.
Or do you speak Spanish language? Spanish language. Do you speak?
Spanish.
Spanish. Oh, okay.
Yes.
Just hola means. What do you mean by hola in English? Hola.
Hello.
Hello means hola. Okay. Please put off your marks. Remove. Yeah.
¿Esto?
Yeah, stop.
¿Esto?
Yeah, stop. Yeah. Thank you so much. Do you want to learn English? In present situation, to communicate with each other, English is must. If you don't know English, you cannot communicate with all over the world's people. All over the world's people to communicate, English is must. I can suggest you have to practice English every single day with your friends, cousins and others. Really?
I know. I just wanna gifts.
Yeah. Every single day or every day you have to practice English. If you don't practice, you cannot speak English fluently or confidently. That's why I can suggest you must practice English with your friends, cousins and others. Especially I am private teacher. I am private teacher.